this video, we'll discuss a pivot table problem one of my great MBA students had. So in column A, he had the list of customers who would order their product. Column B was the order quantity, which I changed the numbers. Okay. And then we have the scheduled fiscal month, and we want to know for each company how many were ordered in each month. Okay. Now the problem with this is Excel wouldn't recognize the October-17 as a date. So what I did to help with this problem was I tried to create a date like 10/1/2017 for October 2017, 2/1/2018 for February 2018, etc. And then I could basically group by month and year, and then things would look fine. Because otherwise my student was having to manually group these things, and they weren't alphabetical or anything, and it was just horrible. Okay, so how do I get the month out of there? Well, the month was always, the abbreviation for the month was always the left-handmost three characters. So I took left, C2, and then the first three characters. Then to make it into a month 1 through 12, January through December, did a simple VLOOKUP, January through December, 1 through 12. So like December's a 12, February's a 2. And to get the year, it was always the last two digits, so I did a value with a text function, the right function, the last two. And then I could concatenate these using the date function. So the date function, basically, you need to give the year, the month, and the day. So I took 2000 plus whatever this year was to get the year. Okay. And then I've got the E2's got the month of the year. And then we made it the first day of the month. Okay. So now I can do a pivot table on this. So I could do insert pivot table. And if I made this an Excel table, when I add new data, things would be picked up. Existing worksheet. So let's go maybe over here. Okay. So what I want is the tag for I want the customer name, and I want I want the order quantity in here. Okay. And I want it by the actual date. Okay, so now let's see what we can do with the actual date there. Okay, so we can click here to expand this. And we can click here to expand this. Actually, I didn't even have to group it there. Okay, for some reason. Okay, so now I've got in chronological order what was ordered by every company during every month, which is what was needed. Because again, before our student was having to manually reorder this stuff based on the date format that was in there.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of three books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.